So first of all, purple. If you haven't seen the new UI at all, it's a lot less kind of dark and foreboding in terms of a UI, and a lot more use of color throughout, in terms of like a, actually just makes it a bit lighter on the eyes, and I just kind of like it for that reason. Okay. First thing I'm going to show is under your profile now, you'll see the ability to open in the classic UI. So it will always open the same URL that you are currently on and try to open that in the classic UI. So if you're on a piece of content, if you're on a page, you're in a model section, whatever, and if you click open in classic UI from anywhere, it will stay on that. If you want to open in a new tab, you can either control click or command click this link. It's actually a link, and it will open that up. Yeah, sorry, there's actually, we give you a double, a double pop up there to switch back. So if I clicked it here, it's actually going to open the same thing. And you can see I'm still on my our internal UAT system here. So you can open exactly the same URL. So this part of the URL will stay the same. So you can kind of jump back and forth, okay, if you need to. And that's something that we want to encourage, where if there's something that works better for you in the old UI, let us know. And we want to make that so it's even more betterer in the new UI. Okay, so you've got your standard dashboard that's here. So the quick start guide is on pretty much every section. There's this quick start guide that'll help you walk through all the different learning steps that we've got. This currently is what the team is working on to update all these videos and stuff in here to make sure they're updated and new and have all the new language that we're using. All right. You've got the general walkthrough video. So all that stuff is the same. You'll notice that pretty much every section now, if I click to content, there's a whole new content dashboard that's here. Again, we've got a quick start guide just for content. There's a quick start guide just for the model section as well. Okay, so if you're wanting to learn about how agility works, those three, the homepage, the content area, and the models area, bring that to you. Pages area has a dashboard as well. It doesn't have its own quick start yet. We may add that in the future. Okay. Now, what you might see is that, hey, we've got Google Analytics showing up here. This is the Google Analytics marketplace app that we've got attached onto here. I can't remember what site this is actually attached to because I'm on a demo site right now, but is pulling analytics from somewhere. I think this actually might be joelvardy.com, to be quite honest, because I set this up a little while ago. My personal website. So lots of stuff here to kind of go through to learn about the site that you're on. You can always, down at the bottom, you can always book a call with sales if you want to talk to sales, but even better, you can get to our knowledge base and you can get to our Slack channel from the bottom of here. Okay. And you can always hit your preview links here as well, and learn more about developing. So lots of links to kind of click through. I encourage you to kind of like try clicking stuff, see what happens, and to see where you get to, because sometimes it'll take you down a path where you can learn some more stuff that you didn't necessarily know. Okay.